feels like yesterday this new year started, but we have now made it to the mid-year. From overcoming some of the rocky low moments to creating lifelong beautiful memories, we have all been truly blessed to live this life. And again, the time has come for us to plan for a new month. As summer is approaching, let us all travel to a sandy desert that teaches us a lesson of patience. Meet Mehmet, a middle school boy who is excited and thrilled for his summer holidays, as he is going on a summer camp to the desert. He had heard a lot about this camp from his mother and sister. The goal of this camp will be to find a water source. Pumped with positive energy, Mehmet is ready to experience the new adventure. After saying goodbye and taking many advices from his parents, he heads towards the camp. He is over the moon to be on this camp, but also aware of the possible obstacles in his way. As the word for this month is patience, I am writing it on the quote page, and underneath it is a quote that says, "Be patient, everything comes to you at the right moment." Moving on, we have our monthly log. I decided to go for a single page monthly log because the big one before were kinda empty, so I do wanna give this style a try. For this, I have made small rectangular boxes, which are of 3 boxes wide and 4 boxes long. And finishing it off by writing the dates. The next page is for my goals for June. It is quite simple and I've surrounded it with a cloud-like bubble. To achieve his goal of finding a water source, Mehmet is working all day with the help of a shovel. He has been so dedicated on his journey that he sometimes even skips his meal. For now, carrying a shovel and digging the sand is what makes him happy. He feels like he's having the best time of his life. Now onto my trackers. This is also a simple habit tracker with similar cloud-like bubbles and a calendar. I will be using lines to indicate whether I have been maintaining a habit or not. If you are interested in seeing the completed trackers, then you can follow me on Instagram. I do share some of them there. The link will be on my description box. Even for this month, I want to make a habit of waking up early, meditating, exercising, reading, journaling, and going bed early. mood tracker is also very simple and similar to a graph. It had been 3 weeks since Mehmet started his new adventure, but he couldn't see any progress. As he was lying down to rest, he saw that a new batch of students who had just arrived a week ago had found the water resource. He was really frustrated to see it. He told to himself, Why can't I achieve it? Everyone else seems to have it so easily, but me, even when I am putting extra effort. The next grade is for brain dump. After seeing other children, he got really upset. He no longer wanted to be there. But then he took a letter that his mom had wrote for him before the journey. There she expressed how she was the last one to find the water on her camp, but at the end, it was the most beautiful and pure. The last sentence read, Do not compare yourself with others. This line was enough to build courage in Mehmet and uplifted his mood. He got the support he needed. After that, he stood up once again and took his shovel and started to dig. Finally, after 4 weeks of being away from his family and working without feeling tired, he succeeded. He was able to find the water resource. But the most exciting part was he was able to find 2 different water sources, which has never been done. All the other people gathered and congratulated him on his big success. He was overjoyed and he finally felt like his hard work paid off. Below the illustration is a quote that says, Patience is a tree whose root is bitter, but its fruit is very sweet. For the weeklies, I have created a Dutch door which I will be sharing on my next video. For now, the last spread is for gratitude. After his historic success, he went aside and took a moment to pray and thank for his success. He was very grateful to have what he wanted. Ending this monthly setup by a quote of gratitude that says, A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Now, let's have a final flip through of all these spreads. Just like Mehmet, we all are in some sort of journey, so it is important for us to have patience in order to achieve that sweet fruit. Until then, goodbye.